What's going on, everybody? Happy New Year. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and this is the first build video that I have for 2023. This is for Sharonda's 2018 Dodge Durango. We started with an aftermarket headlight assembly, which has the clear reflectors on the side. I did an MLED projector retrofit, which is an LED projector assembly, meaning instant on, pure white mode, and slightly easier installation because there is a single driver rather than an igniter and ballast. Be a big improvement there. We have Flow Series LED halos that are from Next Level Neo. So these are the coated boards, which are really nice looking. I've got it trimmed back so that you can see the full halo from all angles because that is kind of recessed back there. It's mounted on the factory shroud. And then I also did a custom strip down here in the factory DRL location. It is behind the factory DRL diffuser. However, that diffuser I think would look a little bit better if it was sandblasted so that you couldn't be able to see through and see the individual LEDs. That's a pet peeve of mine. Client didn't mind, so that worked out really well. So these headlights are running an SP105 standard Flow Series controller, but it is branded under the Next Level Neo. It is still running the same app, which is that magic LED, so you can turn that on. It's got about 200 different modes, and my favorite is, of course, just the auto mode. You can see that it just starts off with the little rainbow mode, and then it'll just change automatically as I continue to blabber. Now we have the next mode. You can see the LED diffuser is doing its job just oh so beautifully. I've got the brightness on this turned down a little bit so that it's not completely blurring out the camera, which just makes it pretty for you to be able to see. And this is what it looks like. Okay, well, yeah, that's pretty much what I want to be showing off here. It's pretty gorgeous. We're happy. Okay. This controller does have turn signal inputs and accessory mode input. So when I touch the turn signal, it does turn signal things. We like that. So that's really cool to have this built into a controller that isn't actually a Blue Ghost. So again, much easier installation. So DRL mode could just basically be, you could tap it into an ignition circuit, or anytime that you want everything to just go full white, as soon as you remove the wire, everything goes right back to whatever it was doing before. Here's both the headlights just doing their thing, and then I connect the start mode and it does a beautiful little startup animation. So that's the cool flashy stuff. Let's talk about the actual headlight performance. These are the MLED 2.0 drivers. It's just got a high beam and a low beam, so everything's going to be essentially as rewired as I can get for not having the vehicle on site. What ends up happening with these is that as soon as they get power, they turn instantly on. It is a beautiful headlight output. This is in the middle of the day, so the fact that we've got output is really impressive. So they are good performers. This is our high beam circuit. It is similar to an HID system where there's a solenoid, something like that, if you see it right on that post there. I don't do a lot of shipped builds, however, I certainly love to oblige when people require my services abroad. So if you're interested for a build in yourself, the first place to start is in the video description. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in there. Every set is custom made to order, so your pricing will vary depending on the features that you select. All build inquiries must be directed through the form on my website, which is also going to be in the video description. Other than that, I just request that you have yourselves a wonderful day. Give me a like or share or whatever you want, but I'll talk to you later. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. See ya.